Back at the truck camper. Windows are in. There's my 12x30. Roof is in. I still need to trim up the top. The top one's going to be a guide for the overhang. This is propane. I still have to plane the top of it all to one solid angle to where I know it's exactly where I want it. So I have to measure it and mark it off, and then plane or sand down to that line once I mark it. And I'm leaving well, I'll take the clamps off in a minute, but sun's going down. Last video for today. The exterior frame is done. Not bad, about 3.5 weeks. Guessing. There's one window up there, another one right here. And my dump section. Drawer will be in here. Nothing. Window. Lights, probably a license plate in here. I gotta find out where they're required to be. Door. Got the top frame in. I just gotta redo it a little bit. And then add the sorry about that. Add the bottom. Yeah, my door down here is gonna be shimmed. Unless I decide to plane the whole thing down and then redo it, and it doesn't sound like a good idea at the moment. So I'm just making a shim for the bottom. But there's that one. Shelving's all in. Well, my makeshift ladder. Like I said, roof is in. 16 on center. And that's it. Thanks, like and subscribe, and have a good day.